ecLearn, a learning management system built on top of Microsoft Dataverse. Developed by Engineered Code using their decade of expertise in implementation and consulting, it is the first LMS specifically created for Microsoft's Power Platform and Business Applications suite. Dataverse, being at the core of ecLearn, means that it provides a scalable, secure place to store your training data. And it means that organizations using Dynamics 365 customer engagement or the wide range of Microsoft Power Platform products, including Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Pages, and Copilot Studio, can augment their business data with training data. One less silo. ecLearn allows organizations to address both their internal and external training requirements with a single platform. Learners can use the built-in ecLearn Power App, or ecLearn can be added to an external-facing website, like one built with Power Pages. With either option, they can see and launch their assigned courses, as well as review their progress and history using a familiar interface. ecLearn is designed to make administration simple and easy. Using the ecLearn Power App, administrators can create custom learning paths, including the ability to control which learners can see which courses and marking courses as required or optional. With ecLearn, you have the flexibility to design your training courses exactly the way you envision. The platform offers a built-in course authoring tool. Create modules, pages, and quizzes right in the ecLearn Power App. Or, if you already have a course package based on one of these popular e-learning standards, you can upload them directly into ecLearn. Administrators benefit from tailored dashboards to keep an eye on what's happening. We also have dashboards to allow managers to monitor progress and track results for their staff. Need even more insights? Use Power BI to create your own customized reports and dashboards. Need more automation? Use Power Automate to create custom notifications. You can leverage the power of AI and Copilot to extend ecLearn to meet your needs. Empower learners with the knowledge they need and gather the insights you need, all in the comfort of the familiar environment of the Microsoft Power Platform with the ecLearn Learning Management System from Engineered Code.